Here is how to change your Gmail username, but please note, once you change your address, you cannot change it again for 12 months. Additionally, you can only change your Gmail address up to 3 times total for the lifetime of the account. And also, this feature is being rolled out gradually. If you do not see the option yet, your account or region may not be eligible for the update at this time. That being said, here are the steps on how to change your Gmail address. If you're on Android, open the Gmail app. You tap on your profile icon in the top right, then select Manage your Google account. If you're using a browser, just type in myaccount.google.com and hit enter. Once you're in your Google account settings, head over to the personal info section. You tap on email, then select an open Google account email. From there, you tap on change Google account email, enter your new available username and confirm the change.